Imagine this. You're standing outside, breathing normally, and suddenly, for just 10 seconds, all the oxygen on Earth disappears. Not the air, just the oxygen. Would you pass out? Would planes fall? Or would something far worse happen? Let's find out. Oxygen makes up about 21% of Earth's atmosphere. If it vanished instantly, the air pressure around you would drop dramatically. Your ears would pop instantly. Every internal combustion engine would shut down immediately. Cars would stall. Airplanes using jet engines would lose power. But that's only the beginning. The sky would turn dark. Here's something most people don't realize. Oxygen molecules help scatter blue light in the atmosphere. Without oxygen, the sky would darken dramatically. It would look dim, almost like twilight. Even during the day, the world would feel instantly unnatural. Buildings would collapse. This is where it gets terrifying. Concrete depends on oxygen in its chemical structure. Without oxygen, every concrete building would instantly weaken. Bridges, skyscrapers, dams, many would crumble within seconds. Cities could experience massive structural failure almost immediately. The ground beneath you. The Earth's crust contains large amounts of oxygen in the form of oxides. If oxygen disappeared from those compounds, the ground could begin to destabilize. Massive cracks could form. The planet's surface would become unstable. What happens to humans? Now let's talk about survival. The average person can survive about 30 to 60 seconds without breathing. So technically, most people would survive 10 seconds without oxygen. But there's a catch. The pressure change could cause damage to lungs and eardrums. And if you were at high altitude, the sudden atmospheric change could be fatal. The ocean's water is made of hydrogen and oxygen. If oxygen vanished completely from chemical bonds, oceans would begin to evaporate into hydrogen gas. But in just 10 seconds, only the surface would be affected. Still, marine life would suffer extreme stress. When oxygen returns. Now imagine oxygen suddenly comes back after 10 seconds. The atmosphere would violently rebalance. Explosions could occur from sudden reoxidation. Fires might ignite globally. Power systems would restart chaotically. The world would be damaged, but not destroyed. Civilization would survive, but it would never forget those 10 seconds. Thankfully, this scenario is nearly impossible. Oxygen is constantly produced by plants and algae. It cannot simply vanish, but it shows how fragile our planet really is. We depend on something we can't even see, and without it, everything changes. What if should we explore next?